KALB County in north-central Illinois, northern Kane County in northeastern Illinois, southern Boone County in north-central Illinois, northern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, Lake County in northeastern Illinois, until 3 a.m. At 1:49 a.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Richmond to near Woodstock to near Kingston, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chicago, Elgin, Waukegan, Arlington Heights, Evanston, Schaumburg, Palatine, Skokie, Des Plaines, Mount Prospect, Hoffman Estates, Oak Park, Glenview, Elmhurst, Lombard, Buffalo Grove, Carroll Stream, Carpentersville, Wheeling, and Park Ridge. Including the following interstates: Interstate 90 between mile markers 22 and 59. Interstate 94 between mile markers 1 and 51. Interstate 290 between mile markers 1 and 13. Interstate 294 between mile markers 1 and 51. Interstate 355 between mile markers 29 and 30. This includes Lincoln Park Zoo, Loyola University, Open Community College, Schaumburg Boomers Baseball, Triton College, Boone County Fairgrounds, Jane O. Lake State Park, College of Lake County,